Kublai P Baro Shikatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kibakongsan mentara smi kilong. Klat no ke Reverend Sister Philomena Khubor yang bril ke Saint Mary's Convent. Dagi bana bat plakat penpau ke KSU halenti ya di menteri ki kampo yeng kari India. Shipor lakhang ya ke surok ba anak benta u Amit Shah bandrung ha Shillong. Ban Daki High Level Task Force la sandur ban kentiu ya ka than lam ni. Bat menta nyapai shiki Khubor ki ba kambnya. Kaseng reunion ki Sister Our Lady of the Mission RNDM pala jukhot id bat tepat ba akum ki Sister Saint Mary's Convent. Kladu no sakaway ke dekat barat ba Reverend Sister Philomena Khubor prapulais nam kerta kapala bat bun snam kum ke principal ke Saint Mary's College Shillong. Kala kentiu ya kan ke college ka way naki kenjang bahajrong tam ha ka dong lammi ngi kari India kabala sei de ki hajar ngut ki kenthei ki balabat ya ki kerdan bahakliar tam ha ki office sarkar jong ka ni ka than amla shu banjer ki long kmi ki balayat leng ba ya kan ke college ki balabat ya ki kam bahe bahan hala ki jong ki jaka ka Reverend Sister Philomena Khubor kade ka way naki rat ba ha ka liang ka jing penroi ya ka jing nang jing tip kanong thokot ba Jylliew kibor perkhat riuniam ka ba riu blai bat ka ba I thap men sim ya ka dustur ka riti tenrai jong ka jat pen riu henyau trap ki bha bakala penno ha ka jing im jong ka na ka benta ka bha ka miat ka roi ka pa ban kentiu ya ka jing nang jing tip bat buram akor long briu man briu ki kenthop ha ka jing bu jong ka ya ka jing khot jong ublei ban long ka reuniam ka bala ai tilut ya la ka jing im ha ka seng reuniam ki Sister RNDM dei ha ka ni ka seng reuniam RNDM kala thelut ya ka buit ka bor bat kala ai tilut ya la di ban trei tang na ka benta ki kam jong ublei bat ban shakri ya ka jat ban riu klem da pech Shillong khmat yanuru Lakhaya ka Reverend Sister Philomena Khubor hasnong ladlengkot East Khasi Hills ha ka pratarik naitung khatkhandai spa sa pholai kade ka khun jong uba Gregory Shron Shabong bat ka kong Victoria Brian Khubor ki bala rungno shaka balang Catholic na ka balang Presbyterian ladlengkot house nam khatkhandai spa san pholai Klalet school ningkong ha ka ni kasnong Hadin kata kalalit school no Saint Mary's lalum kra Shillong bat kalasyong la sa ha hostel convent jong kani ka school. Dei hang ni ha school Saint Mary's bakalayos ngau ya ka jing khot jong ublei sha ka jing long reunion bat kala thwet ya ka jing puli na ka benta ban pen kre ya la di ban long ka reunion. La pediang ya ka kum ka khot jong kani ka seng reunion ki Sister RNDM house nam khat khandai spa handri popra bat kala bat ya ka juban banlong ka dekhot bashit hem jong kani ka seng hadu ki khilmat bakala khlat no ha ka no phai sngi jong ka sau tarik Jylliew ha Nazareth hospital ki bha baka Reverend Sister Philomena Khubor kala ai shiki pateng banwan ha ka liang ka ktien ka thlit ka tho ka tar bat ka puli puthi ki kenthop ya ka jing tebet jong ka ban hikai ban batai ban penshai sani bha ya ki phang jing start ban jing tep babon sertap lengba ukhulom ksiar jongka kala penmi pad ba bon teli ki kot ke baya dei ber ka senshar khadar ki dustur ki riti ki kot ke baya dei ber ka jingkiu irat ka ktien khasi bat ya ka jinget tenrai jong ki khun u hnyau trap kini ki kot ki bala nyau tang kilong ki thop jing start ba ka Reverend Sister Philomena kala pashat pat ai pateng shikilong din jong ka jat benriu hnyau trap kilong ki nomuna ba koridor ha ki spas nam bandang wan ka Khasi Author Society hagaba ka ne ka reunion ka long ka way na ki khot barat ba kala yo I ya ka spa ba Jylliew na jing tho jong ka kala ai bat pun kup buram ya ka da ka khusnam nong tho kot literary award hadu gini kisi ba khadu ka Reverend Sister Philomena kadang shimbenta ha ki national regional seminar bat lecture ban sam lem ya ki jing tip ba Jylliew ha padeng ki riu shampang bat ki akhia na ki way pat ki benta jong kari ki kot ki bapau nam ki balami na ukhulom ksiar jong kani ka reunion ki long ka culture khasi kum bapau ha ka literature khasi ar hajar hnreu a deep analytical dive into Khasi culture as mirrored through Khasi literature spanning historical decades essence of the Khasi religion and insightful study ki way pat ki kot ki de shapang ka tangjat ka jing pene pensa ya ka dustur ka riti Khasi khara Kini kikot jongka ki yang shriak ha library bat ha katup sakan mau ha school ba North Eastern Hill University. Kawai na ki Jyllong bakar pang jong kani ka riu kraw ka long ka ba pak ka ba syai ka ketien ka thelit ka ba nuot ban kran markmat ka bambu re ban kedo ye ki jing bakla bat ka ba kraw tam na ka Jyllong jongka ka dei ka breu ka ba sngow thu bat ka ba dap da ka jing i ya baro. Ki nong yalam bat ki khot ka khasi students union kila penlong ka jingra plakat ha ki ba kila tho ye ki mat jing dawa jong ki harinti ya jong menteri ki kampo yeng ke sarkar India Amit Shah ubalapoi ha Shillong ha ka sau tarik Jylliew ban penya ye ka jingelang ba 73rd plenary meeting jong ka North Eastern Council ha convention center ha ka ni ka nong ba. Ki khot ka KSU kila te ye ka banner bat ra plakat shilenter surok nadu umyam ter hadu umot kiang nangba ubadon mar persha ya ka Shillong Civil Hospital. Kimat jingdawa ka KSU kilong ban penjari no ya ka inline permit ha Meghalaya ban penrung ya ki ktien khasi bat garo ha ka 8 schedule ka riti sensyar kari India ban weng no ya ka hukum jong ka NGT ka bakhang banti doyong banum klong uranium na West Khasi Hills bat kiwe kimat kibalabo ha ka sarkar Meghalaya bat sarkar India kam menshwa.
Oi, oi. Oi, oi.
Do parking itu kan memang the parking place. Yeah, when we have position ini, we have a big there's a big parking there. Like people stand there. There's no congestion will be in the port. Not the issue of standing. This is the issue of security. That only police के नाम कोई खड़ा होने के लिए लाउड नहीं है.
Khubor pulit kilakhang Shipor ya kalet kawan jong kipad ba hasurok ba nadu ICAR hadu lat umroi haka sau tarik Jylliew ban ai lat ya menteri ki kampo yeng kari India Amit Shah pat ki menteri rang ba na ki wei ki Jylla. ban rung shanong ba Shillong klam kanu ke jing penwit namar ki be por ban poi sha ka jing elang jong ka NEC ha Convention Center. Kani ka jing khang ya kani ka surok ba kalabu jing shipor ya kalet ka wan jong ki pat ba kham tam ki tu ki ba wan sumar ha ki hospital bad ki ba be shala ki jong ki kam ki jam ban poi ha ka por ka ba biang. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Konrad K. Sangma ulapan pau ya ke jingkemen ke bakrau ba Menteri Kampo Yeng Kari Amit Shah kumju Menteri ke Tanat Dona kira thau bun tili ki high level task force na ke bentaban kentiu shu ya ke than chate lam mi ngi jong kari ulaya tho ya kani hadin ka jingelang jo ka North Eastern Council plenary meeting ka balong ha Shillong Menteri Rangba ulaong kani ka jingelang kala ay mensim namar kathong trekam ka don menta ha ka kenjang bakong san na ka benta ka roy ka pa bat ka jingkiu irat shakmat jong ka than lam mingi baro ka we ha kani ka jingelang nalor Menteri ki Kampo Yeng bat Menteri ka Dona lashim benta lang ru da ki lat bat ki Menteri Rangba jong ka Arunachal Pradesh Assam Manipur Tripura Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, but Meghalaya, Ringkat ki officer Rangba Jongki.
Schedule. Apart from that, there was also a forum of the NEICC where different members from different denominations and different church denominations had called on the Honorable Home Minister and appealed to the Home Minister to look into different aspects of the FCRA Amendment Act, which as we know is something that is of great concern. And the Honorable Home Minister was very positive in his response. He has asked the church representatives to prepare detailed memorandum, specifically clause-wise, and that to meet him in Delhi at the earliest and discuss about how to or what are the issues that are of concern to them. And he has asked me to bring the delegation to Delhi, which I will be doing very soon. And he has said that he has the necessary powers to make the necessary amendments, and therefore we should submit the memorandum to him at the earliest, which we will be doing very, very soon. And it was a very, very positive response that we got from the Honorable Home Minister. Similarly, the different organizations and NGOs had also called on them, and they have also expressed different concerns, which I'm sure that they have given a press release and press conference on the different issues and agendas that they raised. During the visit of the Honorable Home Minister to Shillong for the 73rd preliminary session of the Northeast Council, on behalf of the Government of Meghalaya, I have submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. In the memorandum, there were 4 important points that I had mentioned. First was regarding the setting up of a proper mechanism to check illegal immigration into the state. And we have expressed our concerns on this issue and suggested to government that mechanisms like the ILP, for which we have passed a resolution, and mechanisms like the MRSSA could be mechanisms and ways and means in which we would be able to check the illegal immigration. And we have urged the Government of India to look into both these demands that we have made and create a mechanism so that we are able to check the illegal immigration in the state. Number 2, we had urged the Government of India to consider inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. This again is a very important demand which we have made for a very long time, and we have passed a resolution in the Assembly. And once again today, we urge the Government of India to include both Khasi and Garo in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The fourth issue we had raised was regarding the amendment to the 6th schedule. We are aware that there is a bill that is pending, and Government of India has been consulting different state governments.
Ginoyalam ka Khasi Author Society but Khasi Students Union lengba ka jingrap ka office jong menteri rangba kilayo lat banya kendu yo menteri ki kampo yeng Amit Shah ban pen kan mau ya ki jingdawa ki bayade bat ka airline permit ki kam khaput bat ka jingtrang ban penrung ya ka ketien Khasi bat Garo ha ka krenet ka bapra jong ka riti sensyar ka ri India. Kini kinong yang yelam kilaya thu u Amit Shah ula snap ha ya ki jingkerpat jongki bat ula kular ban pha ya kini ki jingkerpat shaki committee jong ka tenat ki kampo yeng kari India ban pech sani ban bishar bha. Kilaya thu ru ba u Amit Shah ula ong ki don bun ki wepat ki ketien hakari ki bala kerpat ya ka tenat kampo yeng ban ithu bat penrong ya ki ha kani ka thop jong ka riti sensyar kari. Ula ong endang pech benia ya kini baro.
Kecing kenduk jumpi yau Home Minister mendakasi.
Dan mana ni dang yo ye ke jingten lang bau Chief Minister bau Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji wan mendakasi ye Shillong ki kumta nak keleng yo Khasi Author Society ni lapan ye ke appointment mene kenduk yo but office jang Chief Minister kala Arab ban penyo ia kapor benda kendu yo but ngilayo ia kaban submit ia ki kot ki slide ki jongi kom ka reminder dan ke jimpet kan mau ia ki ai ki bangila dep submit nadu snem arjar arway of 9 January but ngila pen kan mau ro yo bangila ia kendu ro yo ho July jong snem arjar arway but din kata ngila penlong ia ka national seminar ha Delhi Au September arajar kolai bat gila submit biang ya ka jingpat kan mau reminder ke tu apa bat menta kedai kewai pat ka jia kendo bat hari ni ke jia kendo mata ni ba ante pro ba ka sarkar Meghalaya leng ba ka Meghalaya languages ordinance arajar apunre kala penong ya ka ketin Khasi kum kewai neki official languages jong ka state Pemta kadai ke high time, ke Government of India kan sim lagi sinjam, kibati kena ban rung do ektin Khasi yang pok kemit ke bapa. Di negara yang jauh, loong bakidan, bon teliki, jajtin kibatumai, kibadawa ya ketika jipendrung pok kemit ke bapa, batu loong baga ministry kan sampai benda. Ya kini kam bat ulah kedau tikenaro baga ketin Khasi kedai away ni kita ki jajtin kiba ke ministry kan sampai nia kata kedai jikren simkren bun ketin tambah ulah jebak ye ki jingkerpat ki jami kata kam baga ministry kan sampai nia bat ulah baga ketin Khasi kadan hagalis jong kita ki jajtin ba ministry kan sampai nia
Kandon MK komiti pat ban jit kita ki kentin ban penrung apa ka kredit ka bapra.
Ka ladai met kam jaga ministry ti sim dan dia tu yang ni dan rei ngi sutu ba ka ministry ka dan hi ki officers lan ki revision plan ki ba apan pej benia ya ki jajtin makan.
Tiket kom ke jing sengau tu jong pi ka jing jubab jong Home Minister kadon em ke jing kermen ya ketin Khasi bakan rong apa ka kredit bapra.
Yang penting ngimla menong ngirang dan kamar berdien sim ai ya ka jing kuna dan ka jing penting na assurance amrei ulong ba ka ministry kala sim khe gani but kan sampai benia ba ketin Khasi kedai ka way ni kita dijajtin ki ba ministry kan sampai benia.
Menteri Kampo Yeng keri India Amit Shah hakasau tarik Jylliew ula play bat penyai jaka 73rd plenary meeting joka North Eastern Council ha Shillong. Hakani kesni ladon langru Menteri Ketenat Development of North Eastern Region Jyotiraditya Scindia ulat Meghalaya CH Vijaya Shankar Menteri Rangba Konrad K Sangma, Menteri Kena Kesorkar Pedeng, ki Menteri Rangba nak ki nyau teli ki wei pat ki Jylla jong kani kathan, ki ofisa Rangba kadona bat nak ki wei ki Jylla. Hakani ke Jylliew la syam bentaru da kilat bat ki Menteri Rangba jong ka Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim bat Meghalaya. Bat da kitu ki Khuborjylla poi syaka bakut tarhadu bangin daya syanbiang Khublei Shibon.